All right, scholars, let's take a look at the interaction with new material. Here's our original number right here, 231,568. Round to the nearest 10, and it is underlined for us. That's 6 right there. And when you try this out, you will be asked to type in your number. Okay, so I am going to get started using this key strategy. So first, drawing my number line as a hill. There we go. And now I want to determine the landmark numbers. The only way to determine the landmark numbers is to know what am I rounding to? Oh, the nearest 10. Okay, so just look at the 68, right? So let's just look at that 68 right here. And what are the tens closest to it? Right. Well, if that stays as a 6, this would be like 60. Okay. So that means it's going to be 231,560. Well, what about the tens that is a little bit larger than this number? Well, going right over here, and that would round to 231,570. So those are the landmark numbers. These are the two numbers that this number is in between, right? So this number is in between these two numbers when we're looking at the nearest 10. Okay, so looking at the nearest 10 right here. All right, so now I'm going to determine my midpoint. So in the middle of 231,560 and 231,570 is 231,565. Okay, so now where would this number go? Well, it looks like it's a little bit greater, so it's going to be a little to the right. So 231,568. All right, and this is one reason why I love the rounding hill. Okay, we can see that, oh, this is going to be closer to 231,570. So following this key strategy, I'm going to circle that number. And if I needed to type in my answer right now, I'm now ready to type it. The rounded number is going to be 231,570.